Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Open TradingView and locate the teacher icon on the left panel. Click it and sign in with your TradingView account to sync settings. Choose a lesson category, chart basics, indicators, or order execution, and note that each lesson runs about 3 minutes and includes examples. Before you start, set your chart layout to 16:9, pick a market such as Apple or BT Cust, and select a time frame like 1 hour or 15 minutes so the guided steps match your trading context. Click a lesson and follow the on-screen prompts. Step-by-step cursor guidance will show exactly where to draw trend lines, add a 14-period RSI, and place moving average overlays. Enable practice mode to simulate orders using virtual 00, 000 so you can test entries, stops, and exits without risking real capital. Repeat lessons as needed, enable hints when stuck, and track your progress in the teacher dashboard under completed and tips to see which skills you have practiced and which need more repetition. Customize lessons by adjusting playback speed, muting narration, or toggling captions for accessibility and faster review. These settings persist across sessions. To build advanced practice, create a custom lesson from your chart, add up to 5 indicators like EMA, MACD, and 14-period RSI, annotate levels, and save it as a template for repeated drills. When you finish training, export your progress report as a CSV to review metrics such as accuracy, average trade duration, and win rate. Then focus future lessons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.